Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from Saudi Arabia to Japan. Whether you're supporting family, handling business deals, or just sending a gift, getting this right can save you time, money, and hassle. Let's dive in. First off, you have a few reliable options for transfers. The most common ones include using banks like Al Rajhi or Saudi National Bank, international services like Western Union or MoneyGram, or modern apps like Wise and PayPal. Each method has its pros and cons, so choose based on speed, fees, and convenience. To get started, make sure you have the basics sorted. You'll need a valid Saudi bank account, proper identification like your IQAMA or passport, and the recipient's details in Japan, such as their bank account number and SWIFT code. Always check the current exchange rates and any transfer fees to avoid surprises. Apps like Wise often have competitive rates compared to traditional banks. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log into your banking app or visit a service provider's website. Step 2. Select the option to send money internationally and enter the recipient's information. Step 3. Choose your payment method, like a debit card or bank transfer, and confirm the amount in Saudi Riyal, SAR, that will convert to Japanese yen, JPY. Step 4. Review the details, pay any fees, and submit the transfer. Most services process this within 1 to 3 business days. A few tips to make this smoother. Always use secure networks to protect your data, compare fees across providers for the best deal, and keep an eye on exchange rate fluctuations. They can impact how much your recipient gets. Also, be aware of any Saudi regulations, like limits on outbound transfers. There you have it. Sending money from Saudi Arabia to Japan doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you have questions or your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.